Welcome and thank you for joining us today. This short webinar will cover detailed instructions for using DOE's Quality Install Tool, or QIT, for ducted and ductless heat pumps. Several qualifying improvements will require use of the PNNL Quality Install Tool. All qualifying appliances must be Energy Star. The free Quality Install Tool allows for collection of data over the course of an installation and generates a JSON report and a PDF based on the data and images entered. The JSON and PDF report must be delivered to the program, and the PDF may also be delivered to the customer. Data entered into the tool will include current equipment and home characteristic answers, pre-installation photos, post-installation photos, diagnostic testing data, and in some instances, project planning data. A preliminary and post-installation safety inspection will be required. If you are interested in testing out the tool, we have provided a link to the live version on our website. When supporting an air source heat pump installation, go to the DOE's Quality Install Tool, or QIT. Here, you will save the tool location on your phone or tablet's web browser while you have internet service or cell phone coverage. You may need to turn your location on in settings to geotag photos. To do this on an iOS phone, go to Phone Settings, select Privacy and Security, then select Location Services, and select Camera, Precise Location On while using the app. Next, select the web browser you will be using to access the QIT website, and select Precise Location On while using the app. For Vision OS devices, select Location Services. On an Android phone, go to Phone Settings, select Location. Select Location On. Choose the High Accuracy mode if available. Your phone or tablet must be online to use the Quality Install Tool. Access the saved Quality Install Tool from your device to test online connection. As you use the tool, you will capture geotagged images while on site. As you can see beneath the picture, a timestamp and geolocation is indicated. If poor cellular coverage is an issue, call 888-290-9337 to evaluate other options. Now you will add a new project in the DOE's Quality Install tool on your tablet or phone. Use the participant's street address and city as the new project name. Consistently enter the installation company address to match your projects to your vendor ID and contractor account in our Contractor ECAM portal. Information to enter into your new project will include installer and project information. You will also add a geotagged photo of the exterior of the home, door, or mailbox showing the building number, if possible. Next, you will complete your first installation workflow. If you are installing a ducted heat pump, you must enter data for an IRA limited assessment as your first installation. From the project you entered, click on IRA Limited Assessment in the installation workflow. Enter the new installation name in accordance with the installation in progress. For example, Heat Pump Ducted 123 Main Street. You will add assessment data for ducted heat pumps that include ceiling, attic, heating and cooling ducts, whole dwelling ventilation, and the number of heating and cooling systems. Now click on the Report tab and select Print Report. You also have the option to save or email yourself the PDF report for upload to the ECAM portal. For your next installation workflow, click on the project and choose Heat Pump Ducted or Heat Pump Ductless. Enter the new installation name in accordance with the installation in progress. For example, Heat Pump Ducted 123 Main Street. Choose either ductless or ducted heat pump for your next installation. Note that ductless includes planning, installation, and report sections. In addition to this data, ducted also includes assessment and post-installation sections. A successful central ducted split heat pump installation starts with well-sealed, insulated, and correctly sized ductwork, careful equipment planning and selection. Proper installation and commissioning are paramount to ensuring maximum equipment efficiency and a long trouble-free equipment life. The photo requirements in the pre and post installation reports record the key steps to ensure success. For the pre installation portion of ducted heat pumps, you will complete an assessment, planning, and report section to upload data to the ECAM portal. Click on Assessment to answer questions and add photos. Remember, photos must be taken while on site. The assessment section will comprise of a visual inspection of the existing equipment and ductwork, airflow test, and static pressure test. New Mexico does not require contractors to perform a duct leakage test. Combustion appliance safety testing may be required at the completion of the project. For the pre-installation portion of ductless heat pumps, you will complete the Planning and Report section. Click on Planning to answer questions and add photos. Remember, this must be done while on site. Enter how the outdoor unit, ODU, will be installed and the location's average snow depth. The outdoor unit should be installed above the snow depth. The customer may also have knowledge on how high the snow typically gets at the planned heat pump location. If the addition of supply-based mechanical ventilation is included in the ducted-only heat pump upgrade, use the mechanical ventilation quality installation workflow to document the installation. Additionally, the red calc ASHRAE tools are encouraged and provided for you in the link. If the ducts will be entirely replaced or the visual inspection found significant duct upgrades and repairs are necessary, make notes and skip performing a duct leakage test at this time. Combustion appliance safety testing may be required post-installation if the home upgrades will result in a barometric draft-controlled or Category 1 appliance, equipped with a draft hood or connected to a natural draft venting system remaining in the conditioned envelope of the home. Next, you will complete the planning portion, which includes the planned install location and manual J calculation. ACCA-approved Manual J residential load calculation software is required. The home occupant will need to be present while the calculation is completed. Take note that the Manual J file you will need to upload must be in PDF format. Now click on Report and select Print Report. You also have the option to save or email yourself the PDF report for upload to the ECAM portal. Go back to the landing page project list and select the download icon for the appliance project. Open and save the downloaded JSON file. Upload the PDF report, JSON file, and project estimate into the ECAM platform. Now that the pre-installation portion of the project is complete, you are ready to move to the installation phase using the Installation tab in QIT. The post-installation for ducted and ductless heat pumps will be slightly different from one another. For ducted heat pumps, you will complete the installation, post-installation, and report sections to upload data to the ECAM portal. For ductless heat pumps, you will complete the installation and report sections to upload data to the ECAM portal. The ducted installation and post-installation tabs will require nameplate and circuit breaker photos, a plenum connection photo, thermostat data, combustion test data, and a project invoice. Keep in mind all photos must be taken while on site. Ductless heat pump installation requires some but not all the same data as ducted heat pump installation. The ductless installation tab requires nameplate photos, circuit breaker photos, combustion test data, and project invoice. Note that both ducted and ductless installations offer the same additional data options. If the addition of supply-based mechanical ventilation is included in the ducted heat pump upgrade, use the Mechanical Ventilation Quality Installation workflow to document that installation. This will mean that you will add the combustion analysis results in two places on the Quality Install tool, both the heat pump ducted and mechanical ventilation installation workflows. Now you are ready to save and upload the final documents. Click on the report and select Print Report to PDF. It is strongly recommended that a printed copy of this report be attached to the air handler or emailed to the customer as a record to help future home energy raters and HVAC techs. You also have the option to save or email yourself the PDF report for upload to the ECAM portal. Now you will go back to the landing page or project list and select the download icon. Open and save the downloaded JSON file. Finally, upload the PDF report, JSON file, and the project invoice to the ECAM platform. For questions, please reach out by phone to 888-290-9337 or email emnrd.ecmd@emnrd.nm.gov. Thank you for joining us today.